The FDA has approved administering the Pfizer vaccine to children as young as 12 years old, and we are now hearing from local doctors who are getting a lot of questions from their patients. Let's go to Local 10's Sarah Unruh live now with much more. Sarah.
So Calvin, since the CDC is now expected to give its stamp of approval on this age expansion for the Pfizer vaccine, leaders here at Memorial Regional Hospital and Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital, they are meeting right now to discuss their own rollout of more vaccines to more patients.
Parents of the kids that we take care of at Joe DiMaggio have already expressed a lot of interest in getting the vaccine.
Dr. Ronald Ford, Chief Medical Officer at Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital, says parents want to be assured they're making the right decision to vaccinate their children.
We've been getting a lot of calls and queries about when the vaccine is going to be available to that age group, 12 through 17, as well as where they can go to get vaccinated.
Dr. Ford calls vaccination necessary, even though most kids who get COVID don't get very sick or have serious symptoms.
But they are effective carriers and they can effectively transmit the virus to people who can get very sick.
The CDC Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices meeting today to discuss recommendation of the use of the Pfizer vaccine on children as young as 12.
I would encourage all parents to get their children vaccinated. I know many parents are enthusiastic.
This meeting happening one day after the FDA expanded authorization of the Pfizer vaccine to ages 12 and up.
It's important to recognize that the results that Pfizer put forth to the FDA were remarkable in terms of safety and efficacy for this vaccine in this age group.
So now it's up to parents to decide what's best for their children and public safety, and time for healthcare providers to ensure a smooth rollout to younger patients.
We really are just going to mimic the same process, and I think it should be a very smooth transition to these younger ages.
So the CDC again is expected to sign off on that approval, that expanded age group of 12 and up tomorrow. So the first Pfizer doses could be doled out to that age group as early as this Thursday. Reporting live in Hollywood, Sarah Unruh, Local 10 News.